One of the key measures we use to build promotional solutions is called weighted weeks on display. This measure gives us valuable insights into how frequently items are being displayed at retail locations over a set period of time, typically 26 weeks. Here's how it works. Syndicated data companies send auditors to roughly 10 to 15% of stores to observe what's being displayed. These auditors capture information on displays on a week-by-week basis. By summing up each week over a 26-week period, we arrive at a total called weighted weeks on display. This total represents how many weeks, on average, an item was displayed during that time frame. We recommend looking at weighted weeks over a 26-week period because it provides a comprehensive view of display trends. This time frame is long enough to account for seasonal variations and promotional cycles, giving you a clear picture of who's getting the displays and how frequently. Weighted weeks tell us one critical thing: who is getting the displays? Once we know this, we can dig deeper. Are these the right items to display? Should we display them more often? Or should we display them less often? This measure is the foundation for building a strategy that optimizes promotional effectiveness. Weighted weeks alone are just one part of the story. To build a complete promotional strategy, combine this measure with other data, like sales performance to see if the displays are driving results, velocity and ACV to identify whether the right items are getting visibility. This helps you make fact-based recommendations on how to adjust displays to maximize impact. By leveraging weighted weeks on display, you gain powerful insights into display effectiveness over time. This measure doesn't just tell you what's happening, it sets the stage for deeper analysis and actionable recommendations. In our next step, we'll explore how to determine whether the right items are getting displays and how to adjust your strategy for even better results. Let's dive in.